Okay, this is the fourth duel of the night. Last duel, my opponent timed out and nothing happened, so I closed out and then load up Omega again, then checked my rank and it went down. Like, that was not cool. That was not cool at all. I was 1321 and then I went back down to 1290. So 41 points I lost. What the? That was not cool. It's like I gotta win 2 games for that. I'm debating of uploading. Yeah, I'm gonna upload it. Game 3 or duel 3 of what happened. That's it, Vanity's Ruler Karibo. That was a bummer. Like, why does that even happen? Like if the game doesn't, like if it throws a bug, why would I lose rank from that? But Forbidden Droplet. Chained it. Nice. Okay. NECROVALLEY. Oh, look at that. NECROVALLEY. Red Ice Fusion. God dang, Red Ice Fusion. It's gonna try to negate that. Might as well negate it. What? Oh no. What? Oh yeah, I can't banish anything. Dang it. Oh, that was dumb. think I'm just gonna surrender. No, it's okay. Fernando. I need a miracle here. Jeez, he's just picking through cards with Pot of Prosperity. Royal Tribute. Yeah, he's got this. He's got this. Like I went down 41 points over that. That's like no. That's like 4 wins. I have to do 4 wins for that. Alpha Zeta, Alpha, add Benton, Joel and Lockbird. You. Had to get rid of the Benton now. Another Joel and Lockbird. Come on. Come on, dude. That's not cool. I have to dump ammo. Oh, I still can't add. Yeah, I can't add. Yeah, did that and I can't add. Damn. Pucho in the fence. Fernando. You know what? I'm just gonna activate his effect. Mystic Mind. Ah. This is just gonna get destroyed. I might as well go for a Link Rebo. Fernando. Fernando. I need more back row removal. I don't have Lightning Storm and Harpy's Feather Duster. Jeez. Pot of Prosperity. Too good. Look at that, he's just gonna pick through them. I'm gonna get Red Eyes Fusion. Yep. And activate Red Eyes Fusion. Switched it up for NECROVALLEY. Wow. What is he doing? Why didn't he activate his effect twice? And then attack for 3k. Huh. Oh man, I'm gonna have to Forbidden Droplet. Vandy's Ruler. Dang. And then Regeki. And then he's just gonna activate another Pot of Prosperity and dig through his deck for another Red Eyes Fusion. What the? This is a Graveskeeper Mystic Mind Dragoon. Come on! Nova. Alpha. Can't use the grave because of what's it called? Oh wait, I can. Yeah, I could. What? What the f— oh, I could activate it, but it's just negated, so I could have attacked him for 2000, but no. Why doesn't he summon? There you go. And go for another Dragoon. Verte Dragoon. Yep. Wow. It's an interesting deck. Oh, he magicalized fusion, banished for another Dragoon. You can get 2 Dragoons if you had another one. Oh wait, he used Verte's effect? Oh yeah. What? You're still... No, I won't be able to. That'll be negated. NECROVALLEY Dragoon Turbo. With Mystic Mine and Prosperity. Wow. Wow. GG. And where am I now? 1266. 1266. That was game 4. I went from 1311 to 1266. Comment, share, like if you subbed it. Sub if you liked it. See you guys.